Hello guys! In this video, I will show you the new version of my Google Sheets POS. It is simplified and easy to use. In the POS sheet, you can search for an item by barcode or description. Here, you can see the price and the remaining quantity available. You can also add a discount, tax, and notes to each item. When all items are complete, you can finish the transaction by simply clicking the Done button. After you click the Done button on the POS sheet, the receipt sheet will automatically update and be ready to print. You can also print receipts from previous transactions. This is the transactions sheet, where you can easily filter transactions and generate reports. This is the Add Stock sheet, where you can easily add stocks and update prices. Assuming we want to update the price of the item with barcode number 1002. The price will automatically be updated on the POS sheet as well. The system will also block invalid inputs such as insufficient quantity, no stock available, or insufficient payment. In the settings sheet, you can set up a list of payment methods and adjust the tax percentage. The POS sheet will automatically detect and apply these settings. Lastly, this is the item inventory sheet, where you can view statistics for each unique item, including total quantity, total sold quantity, in-cart orders, and remaining quantity.